So today I am at Cordora, and this is a build community, a new community off of Buffalo in the Southwest by Pulte Homes. And there are 4 different plans. It's the Mesquite, Juniper, Pinion, and then the Palo Verde. So the models that they have is gonna be the Juniper, Pinion, and the Palo Verde. And these are gonna start at 507. Juniper will be 507,000. Pinion would be 574,000. And then Palo Verde is gonna start at 610,000. So the builders right now, they are also giving a few incentives and stuff like that. And lenders are also letting you lock in the rates. And of course, Pulte Homes is gonna provide some closing costs that will help you lower your rate as well. So let's start with the tour and let's check out the Juniper. So outside in front of the Juniper model, and this unit's gonna be starting off at 507,000, and then we're looking at 2,300 square foot, 4 beds, 2.5 baths, and then 2-car garage. So let's take a look inside. Nice windows, they frosted that, so when you move in, if you select this door, it's gonna be just straight up glass. This is their office area. So this would actually be garage. And then, so basically, you know, you're walking in the front entrance, go straight in, then you have your stairs to go up. We'll check that out in a bit. We have a powder room right here on the left. Nice tile work they have. Really like how they added the black metal framing. A lot of these it's a new trend that's going. You know, you got plank flooring, quartz countertop. Like how they had this brown color and then it's white. Make the island kind of, you know, stand out, pop out a little bit. You know, your kind of farmhouse style sink. It's AmeriSink. You have your Whirlpool appliances, stainless steel. So under the stairs, you have a nice sized pantry. Of course, the tile backsplash, just going up there. And your dining area. Ceiling fan. Your Simplifier electric fireplace. So if you don't know anything about these electric fireplaces, it could be for just looks and it doesn't, you know, put out any heat. You can change colors on them, and then of course you can turn on the heat and then the heat will come out from here. And they have the surround sound hookup that's installed right up there. Nice chandeliers, yeah. All right, let's go check up upstairs. A lot of window space up here. There's the development. Yeah, so stairway comes up in the middle. And then you have this loft area. And then you have this laundry room over here. Okay. Let's go check out the other rooms first before we go into the primary. So bedroom number 1, a closet. And then you have a full bath. And then bedroom number 2. You got the 5-inch baseboards. And then bedroom number 3. So not too bad. Not huge rooms, but good size. That's a full-size bed, just so that you know how much space is in there. And here's a loft area. Turn on this light here. Okay. And then the primary. So this is a king size bed. Then you have your primary bathroom. No tub, but shower. And then you have your walk-in closet. It's a good size. The front of the house facing east, and then this is facing west. They have the speakers up in here too. All right, and as mentioned, this is the Juniper in the Cordora collection by Pulte Homes.